Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and today it is MOXC, and that is from our AI. You can see right here, there was the alert 1529 to short MOXC. This is one of those Wall Street bet stocks, I think, and you know the bloom is maybe a little bit off. I'm gonna take a look at AMC just a little bit later, but anyway, this was just a tremendous short 1529. I mean, on a 15-minute chart, I mean, look at this candle here, this one here, and then we had a pull up here. But, you know, this is basically almost straight down from 1529 down to 1137. There's a $4 drop. That's a huge percentage win in not that length of time. So this certainly was the stock of the day, and it came from the AI, our AI. And take a look at AMC. This is something that, of course, a lot of people are following. Boy, got all the way up here. This was an all-time high at one point for AMC. Now there's quite a bit of a sell-off right now taking place. This is one that I had. I actually am out of most of it now, just out around that $30 level from 20, and we'll see what happens. You know, I'll have to see if we're going to have a rebound later on today. But anyway, the MOXC certainly was a tremendous play from the AI, and that is the stock of the day. Now, we have a Memorial Day sale on. You'll see in the email you're getting, you will see it's Memorial, all in capital letters, 25. So that's a Memorial 25. You'll get 25% off the first month only, or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. And I believe that runs till Tuesday, that's June the 1st, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So have a great long weekend, everybody. The markets are closed on Monday, so have a great long weekend, and we'll see you Tuesday morning at 9 o'clock. Bye-bye.